Yeah, I am ready.
All right. Hello there. How are you doing today?
Good.
All right. Let me begin by introducing myself. My name is Kim Abune, and I'm one of the managers here at CHHS. I look forward to our interview today. Okay. All right. I'm gonna begin the interview by as far as your education. Where are you at with that right now, and your current major, and what are your plans?
So I am a CMT major, that's Construction Engineering and Management Technology. It is a technology degree program that focuses on obviously construction management and engineering. Um, let's see, I am in my final semester, so I will be graduating in this May. Let's see. As far as a specific direction that you want me to go in this, do you have any specific questions for the degree program, or would you just like me to give you a generalization?
Just a generalization. Get an
Okay.
idea where you're at.
So yeah, so obviously, as I said, I'm in the end. What I've taken or what I've experienced so far is generally we have obvious construction management classes. We have engineering classes ranging from steel design to concrete design, soil testing, materials testing, estimating. We have estimating classes, scheduling classes. Uh, I guess engineering, economic courses. Generally, it's a very wide arrangement of topics designed to allow us to succeed in the construction industry.
Okay. As far as your current position, where you're at with your career right now, obviously you're coming up to, future after you graduate, you'll have different plans. As far as your current position where you're currently employed, can you tell me about your duties and responsibilities there?
Yes. So currently, I work with a engineering and surveying firm. My main responsibilities is I handle a lot of preliminary design. We do a lot of subdivision work. We do, uh, which that entails designing the septic systems or sanitary sewers. We do the storm sewers. We handle the erosion control, the grading of the site, the drainage flow, um, as well as just the overall general layout, and then as well as the platting, which is more along the surveying side. Let's see, we do commercial site plans as well as just standard residential, which a lot of times that goes along with the subdivision. Though occasionally we do residential lots that are individual and without that are outside of a subdivision. Um, let's see, as well as occasionally I go out in the field and I assist the land surveyors, whether that be with the different types of surveys, such as as-built surveys, staking, or topography.
All right. Wow, you can do a little bit of everything, huh?
Yeah, yeah, I'm
Awesome.
pretty much a jack of all trades.
Hey, well, that's good to hear. We like that. As far as any strength, you think that will be beneficial for our company. Then we're a construction company right now, I guess.
Yes.
Construction something. Um, what do you think you could provide for us for your strength? Even with working with certain type of equipment, anything that you think you're good at.
So let's see, I have experience operating fork trucks as well as some other minor forms of equipment. In regards to other forms, I come with strong technical knowledge, especially regarding and I guess equipment uses and ideas. Something that we've covered on frequently in my degree program, as in specializations of construction equipment, and along with the uh, technical experience, I have strong technology experience, such as computers. Obviously, currently most of my work is a desk job, and I use many computer programs. We use branded software, drafting programs, and obviously Microsoft Office, such as Excel, Word, uh, or Microsoft Project, which is a scheduling uh, program.
Okay, so you really are a jack of all trades.
Yes.
Right, that's perfect. Um, as far as any weaknesses, not trying to scout our weaknesses, maybe we can help you out get rid of those weaknesses. Do you feel like you have any?
I would say my largest weakness is sometimes I get caught up and I may overlook something. This something that's fairly frequent though. A lot of times there's backup protocol to this. Obviously, in my line of work right currently, there pretty much everything is checked by another employee before it gets sent out. So any small errors that I've missed when I'm focusing on something else, something may have missed, it's pretty much always caught.
Okay. All right. Going on with the next question, just a behavioral question. As far as, your current employment, has there been a time where you got into a conflict or disagreement, maybe another employee or a manager? And what did you do as far as to resolve the conflict?
No major, no real conflicts. Um,
It's really good to hear.
yeah, nothing I can think of really. I've always strived to work with everyone, and if I have a feeling that I'm disagreeing with someone, I don't really confront. I normally choose to remove myself from the situation before a confrontation occurs.
Okay, makes sense. What about a time where you actually specifically enjoyed working with a certain individual, manager, another employee, anything like that? And what did you like about why you enjoyed working with them?
I say pretty much every day. I mean, there's most pretty much all of my coworkers that I've had in my or most of my coworkers in my current position. I get along with them all pretty well. We work together great. We work together to finish our projects. We don't fight. We don't step on each other's toes. We work well. In the past, obviously, I've had people I disagree with, but like I said, I'm trying to remove myself from the situation before confrontation occurs.
Okay. So as far as teamwork, you sound like you're good with it, huh? It's like
Yeah, it's kind of something that you need to get used to because obviously, as I have referred to myself as a jack of all trades, that really is true because there's many things that I have not mastered. Like I am not great with detailed drainage calculations, but we have people that are. So I work with them frequently because that is an important part in deciding, obviously, pipe sizes for storm structures.
okay, well, that's really good to hear. It's hard to find someone that likes to work with other people. Teamwork's important here at our current employment, so I like that one. As far as a very specific situation, suppose you see someone doctoring their time card, anything like that. How would you handle the situation?
Um, the ideal response to that is to immediately go to upper management. I understand there are certain scenarios, such as an example of that would be in my current position, the owner's son works for the company. And the owner's son, I'd say it's a fair bit of doctoring time. He is a very unproductive employee, but there's not much I can do about that, obviously, as he is the owner's son. So I'm forced to grin and bear it. But other than that, though, if there is an issue with that, I will talk to upper management or someone farther up the chain of command.
Well, Nick, I've enjoyed this time speaking with you. I would usually say morning, but we're doing it in the evening. As far as any final questions, did you have any for us? Any concerns, just any questions in general?
Nope, I have nothing.
All right, perfect. Well, we're planning to see about three more applicants tonight. Not really, but you'll hear from us in about 7-10 days. Okay, I'll give you a call.
All
All
right,
right,
thank
thank
you.
you so much, Mr. Nick. You have a good rest of your day. Okay, and give us a
Yep,
call if you have any
thank you.
other questions. Also, okay,
Yep, no problem.
sir. Good day.